Best Practices for Afterpay Payment Methods is a comprehensive guide to help businesses and consumers understand the benefits and responsibilities of using Afterpay. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. To get started with Afterpay, businesses need to sign up for an account and integrate Afterpay into their online checkout system. Consumers can then select Afterpay as their payment method at checkout and create an account if they do not already have one. One of the key concepts to understand when using Afterpay is the payment schedule. Afterpay typically requires customers to pay for their purchases in 4 installments, due every 2 weeks. If a customer misses a payment, they may be charged a late fee. To use Afterpay effectively, businesses should clearly communicate the payment terms and schedule to their customers. This includes providing a detailed breakdown of the payment amount and due dates. Businesses should also ensure that their refund and return policies are compatible with Afterpay. Consumers should also be aware of the payment terms and schedule when using Afterpay. They should make sure they can afford the installments and pay on time to avoid late fees. Consumers should also keep track of their payments and check their account regularly to ensure everything is up to date. Some best practices for businesses using Afterpay include monitoring customer payments and following up with customers who miss payments. Businesses should also provide excellent customer service to help resolve any issues that may arise. In addition, businesses should regularly review their Afterpay account to ensure that everything is running smoothly. This includes checking for any errors or discrepancies in customer payments. Overall, Afterpay can be a valuable payment method for businesses and consumers, offering flexibility and convenience. By following these best practices and understanding the key concepts, businesses and consumers can get the most out of Afterpay and avoid any potential pitfalls. By providing clear communication, excellent customer service, and regular monitoring, businesses can build trust with their customers and create a positive experience. Consumers can also enjoy the benefits of Afterpay by being aware of the payment terms and schedule, and making timely payments. In conclusion, Best Practices for Afterpay Payment Methods is an essential guide for businesses and consumers looking to use Afterpay. By following these guidelines and understanding the key concepts, businesses and consumers can use Afterpay with confidence and achieve a positive experience.